Almost everyone dreams of owning a gaming rig, but only a few really know how to choose the right product for their needs. This is Nishan, and today I am going to review the GX200 and will tell you why you need it. So talking about the box contents, in the box you get a quick manual, mounts to attach your hard disk, a motherboard beeper, all necessary screws, rubber padding and cable ties. Talking about the design and build of the case, it looks very mean and something made keeping gamers in mind. No doubt it looks very similar to the Corsair Carbide, but I don't care if a company gets inspired from another brand till the time the product is good. On the front, you get a power LED, I/O panel which includes power key, reset key, USB 2.0 port, audio jacks and two USB 3.0 ports. Below that you get a full-size drive bay. Under that is the Antec logo and a plastic grill. Removing the plastic front cover exposes two 120mm blue colored fans. You also find a filter attached to the plastic cover which can be removed easily. On the side, you get a transparent window which is made up of plastic. The advantage of transparent window than a tinted one is that you don't need LEDs to show off your components. On the back, you also get two holes for the tubes of a water cooler. The holes have rubber padding which prevents any dust to enter the case. Below that, you get a space for a 120mm fan, 7 PCI Express slots and a space for full-sized power supply. So now let's talk about some of the features of the case. The GX200 comes with only one full-sized optical drive bay for a DVD and Blu-ray ROMs. It can be installed easily as Antec has provided plastic knobs to tighten in the screws. You also get a total of 5 hard disk drive bays and 2 SSD only brackets. Coming to the filters, the GX200 has in total 2 filters, one on the top and one under the PSU. The front one is mesh dust filter made up of fiber which works well, while the one on the PSU is just a metallic mesh. Now there are 7 PCI Express slots available on the case. You can even put 3 GPUs in SLI and you will still have one left for your external SD card or an SSD. Talking about the fans in the case, there are in total 3 fan spaces, 2 on the front and 1 on the back. Sadly, you cannot mount any fan on the top, but its small size justifies that. You do not get any fan for the back while you get 2 front fans with blue LEDs from Antec. The case also supports water cooling and the reservoir is easily mountable on the back of the case. Now coming to the wire management, the Antec GX200 comes with the wire management system with big holes to pass on the wire. However, there are no rubber grommets. On the back, you don't get much space, but as usual, the window has an extensive block bulging out which helps in keeping the wires settled. You also get some holes where you can tie the cable with the help of included cable ties. The GX200 comes in a lot of variants. The one I have is with a transparent window. The window looks good and can easily add that custom look to your setup. But the window itself is very prone to scratches as with every plastic window. My case is brand new and was never used before, but still with time it got many scratches. So it's the conclusion time. The Antec GX200 may not be the best case in the world and it does have some minor drawbacks here and there, but when you consider the real price, it's a splendid deal indeed. You have enough space for every motherboard out there. There is ample of space for wire management. There is a clear window to show off your case, 2 120mm fans, and the list goes on and on. So that pretty much wraps up my video. If you liked the review, then do hit the like button and do comment below what you think about the case. Thank you. Namaste. Talking about the wire management of the case, the Antec GX does so.